Well, it is the next day now, so I put the head on and everything yesterday, and I decided to wait till pretty much the hottest time and the hottest point of the day to put the cams in, because that way when I sweat it'll just like lubricate everything. Got some help from Scott.
It's literally 90. It says real feel is 104 degrees.
Yeah, 104 degrees, no big deal right here. He brought his Civic down. It's a B series swapped EG turbo, no big deal.
It's for sale? No.
Everything's for sale.
Everything's for sale.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put some new exhaust studs in because some of them were missing, and after I get those sunk in, I guess I'll be dropping the cams in, right? Yeah, maybe. That's all right. Yeah. Are we live?
Yeah, we're live.
Okay. We got the motor top dead center, cylinder 1, and I'm putting the new to me rockers in. By the way, thank you again, Kelly, for the hookup on this. Yeah, it's a little warm. We're gonna get it in though. Scott, what do you think about these big cams right here? Can't you tell how much bigger they are?
No, not at all.
They're bigger. They are, I promise.
Okay.
Okay, we need to put a little slickum on there. Watch this. Well, a little bit of this. Oh, normally this stuff's supposed to be black, but for some reason it's like an orange color. It's probably because it's like 100 billion degrees out here. Oh, it's getting a little black right there, a little thick. Oh, there we go. All right, we gotta do that secret thing to make a lot of horsepower, so you gotta turn the camera off now.
All right, it's done. Little pro tip right there. You know how to know how your cams are going in top dead center, like lined up? Show them, Scott. No, the cams. See, there's this little hole right here. Yeah, that hole is supposed to be straight up because when you put this rocker on, you can put the tool to lock it in, but nobody ever really uses that. But just putting them in, like throwing them in real quick, that's an easy way to check. So, I'm gonna get the other rockers in. You can actually just record this. This is therapeutic right here. Yeah. This is like yoga. This is like hot yoga is what it is. Because we're sweating, you know? Yeah, we're exercising.
It's like, why go to the gym? Just buy an Integra and live in South America.
Yeah, sweat all the calories off. There's a dead body in the back of your car.
Scott. I don't think everybody's up to date on your car. You want to tell them how much power you're running? Big power.
Damn.
Is yours a B1 or A1?
B1.
Nice.
Non-VTEC life.
eBay?
eBay everything. It made a 254. I'm gonna go over here now. We're gonna look at my car. Nah, it was 14, I think. No, 12. It's been a while. Saw the inspection. So, this is so hard to do with one. That's what she said. And that's it. Alright. Back to progress.
The birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day.
Make sure you put water on all the lobes.
All the lobes. Do. It's like hair. Don't look at my dirty thing. That's not there. That's gonna be fixed.
This is where the deer hit.
Yeah, that's where the deer took the tire off and let it fling on down the road.
The deer also hit here.
and here, and and here, and here, and a little bit right here, and right there, of course. You also hit the cylinder head. That's why we're replacing it.
Is that it?
Yeah, and this green right here. I'm guessing
I
fan.
I need that cam seal right there. It's in the old head.
Yeah. There's the head. Oh, you got it right next to you.
Well,
Pro tip: you can use a one of those brake cleaner caps and
is that all you need?
see what actually fit.
Where is my cam seal? It fell out of the old head.
Stink. That's not it. Is this it? No, that's a body dish.
No, that's a bushing.
Yeah.
So you need to go buy one. It's pretty important piece right there.
Just get one of your subs to send you one.
Actually, oh, here it is.
Yeah, we're good.
Should I
Yeah.
use the old everything?
I heard that's like a no-no, but as it's like ripping apart as you're taking off.
We're good.
Can you put like Permatex around it, or is that a no-no?
You're supposed to.
All right, cool.
So it doesn't leak.
I didn't do that.
We're not going to either because I don't have any here. Actually, I think I do have some here, but
Is it too far away? Yeah, it's like right there on that shelf. That's a little
far away.
Yeah, you gotta remember, we gotta walk through this, and that's just not. That means we gotta walk around the car.
There we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right. I'm gonna get a ratchet. I'm also gonna get a drink. Cut the clip. It's cold drink break time. Alright, so I had to go take a breather. I went over to my parents' house and jumped in the pool, had to cool off. Scott left. I was just getting hot and frustrated trying to get the timing belt on. For some reason, it just was not wanting to go on right. But I do have it on now, and I have up, and it's TDC cylinder 1. So I'm going to roll the motor over, and hopefully everything is back in time once we get back around to TDC 1. So let me try to position the camera so y'all can see what's going on. Like her right there. Let me get this Mountain Dew out of the way. Alright, so let's roll her over. I have not tightened down the tensioner yet for the timing belt. Oh, slipped off. There it is. Okay, TDC 1. And it looks like, let me zoom in on it. Both of these are up. Got a little slack in the timing belt. I'm going to tighten up the tensioner and see if I can get the slack out of that. So yeah. Other than that, super excited. Probably not. I'm running out of daylight this evening. I'm not going to push it or rush by any means because that's how I always end up with the mistakes. But looks like I could start plugging some stuff in and maybe get this thing running in the next couple of days. But that's another thing I wanted to bring up. I'm actually leaving to go on vacation
in a couple days, so Wednesday for 4th of July. So hopefully I get this done and running before then, because I'd like to keep up this like daily upload thing. I will be gone, so I won't obviously be able to do videos while I'm gone, but it's so nice like just having constant content to keep going out. I don't know, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel good about the car. It, you know, gives me stuff to do. So I don't know, we'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Y'all have been awesome. Please comment down below, ask me any questions. I appreciate it. And just to recap, this is a forged bottom end with a block guard, Aries pistons, Eagle rods, stage 2 Crowler turbo cams. Thank you, Kelly, for those. A stock LS head, stock LS intake manifold, cast exhaust manifold, turbo skis. I'll go over the turbo kit in another video of its own here coming up soon. So thank you guys for watching. This is Brandon on Motor Nubs. Brandon Coin's coming up next, so that's my other channel if any of y'all watch. But yeah, Brandon on Motor Nubs. I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.